Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this monster, the pig, the one of the biggest I've ever seen. Rifle. Okay. See this black and red color combination toy rifle. Wow guys, and how it's work, turn and shoot. Wow guys, amazing. It had a black color extra thing and I assemble it like this. Okay guys, I properly assemble it. How it sound, shoot. Wow, amazing. It have another thing, this extra thing that is red color. See the red color extra thing, and I now assemble it properly. This is the proper toy rifle. Okay, now it's look like a proper toy rifle, and now it's how it's like. Turn and what guys? Shoot. Oh, turn and shoot. Wow guys, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this silver and red color combination toy pistol. Wow, this and the bullet area. Okay guys, see, this is nice. Wow, amazing. And how it's going back, turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Guys, it have another silver and red color combination toy pistol. Okay, see, same. This toy is same. And how this toy is work? Turn, turn, shoot, shoot, and shoot, shoot. Oops, nice. Then guys, I can show you this target. This is a pepper target. This is red, black, yellow, blue, white, black, blue, and 100 various color of this pepper. Okay guys, this is nice. Then guys, I can show you this black color and red color combination rifle. This is look like real rifle. Wow guys, this is the best. Amazing guys, how it works. Turn and wow, what a sound quality it have. It have a red color extra thing, and I assemble it. So guys, now I assemble it properly, and it have another red color extended thing. Assemble it guys. I assemble it properly. See, and how it's work now guys. Turn and so guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye always.